Mexico again.
Part 2.
Look at my money. Look at my money. You wouldn't believe it. I'm happy we came here. We on the boat.
And we on the yacht, y'all. We on the yachty waddy. And we, yo, me too. And we about to go to the island. And what is it called? Isla Mujeres. Un poquito español, no grande español.
They're gonna drag us through the water.
Y'all, if you do not see a next clip, we didn't make it. Okay, I'm just clicking. Guys, Brianna's just cooking the camera right now. I don't know what's going on for
Okay, us three. I've been wearing sunglasses and being blind this whole trip. Just because.
Hey guys.
My cousin Mahogany, right? No,
Nah, you
not a little.
This one for the books.
Yes, one for the books.
Have a good time and spread out.